Hello everyone, I am Megha Mukesh Bambani, Senior Designer at Hitachi Energy. I am excited to be part of the phenomenal pilot project for digitalization T-Expert Hub. T-Expert Hub from Hitachi Energy is a data monitoring and diagnosis device for power transformers that also provides connectivity. Designed as an open platform, it is capable of integrating multiple sets of data from T-Expert ready sensors from diverse manufacturers, thus enabling transformer digitalization. The T-Expert Hub transformer aims to usher in green digital innovation by reducing carbon contamination and excelling in condition-based maintenance or predictive maintenance. It achieves this through real-time data by continuously monitoring asset health and delivering time-saving advanced notification of asset behavior. India's power industry is undergoing a significant transformation towards clean energy and carbon neutrality. To continue generating enough reliable power to meet the growing demand, power generators must transform and change the way they operate. Digitalization of transformers helps smoothen the energy transition as transformer reliability can better control voltages in the grid. T-Expert heralds a new era of unified sensing and connectivity given that power transformers are vital in electric energy networks. It provides data-driven intelligence for transformer optimization, reduced unplanned outages due to early warning signals, seamless integration with new and existing equipment, efficient grid management under fluctuating conditions, intelligence of 1000 transformers, thereby enabling utility providers to deliver reliable, affordable, and modern energy to millions of citizens for an improved standard of living. At Hitachi Energy, we bring diversity and inclusion every day. Even during the critical lockdown period, our dedicated team ensured timely project delivery with enthusiasm. We are one team that is always in pursuit of a sustainable energy future for all.